Here you can see a dashboard that contains all the data from our annual target setting process. We've got annual targets per region, quarterly breakdowns, as well as some revenue targets per segment. The takeaway here is that we can bring in any information we'd like from the finance process down to any level of granularity. We've got our objectives, and by having quarterly data, we're able to account for seasonality. In addition to this, here at the bottom left you can see our what-if scenario planning functionality. By changing some of the growth drivers here, we can set what our initial assignment is going to be as we're transitioning from finance targets to sales targets. You can see in our native scenario capability that we can select multiple scenarios. We can create new scenarios on the fly so that we can adjust and account for different eventualities. It's very helpful to be able to see how that all flows through in real time. Misalignment between sales targets and revenue objectives is an issue that plagues the sales forecasting process. Next, let's look at how we load our data into the Pigment platform. Here we have some high-level productivity metrics that are calculated. As we start to scroll down, you can see some of the different data sets we're loading into the platform. A key differentiator of Pigment is that all these color-coded fields are actually dimensions. If I double-click into Segment, these are directly coming from the source system, which become dimensions that we can easily report on or build a model around. The idea is that we can easily create dimensions as we load it from our source systems and slice and dice the data. What we really built here is one place that contains all the insights and capabilities you need to build data-driven, sensible sales plans.